First of all, we would like this one to be an H1 tag instead of the logo up here. This is just from a SEO perspective that we would like to have this text as the H1 tag, and we are probably gonna reuse the index page as a landing page. So it's a good thing that the text we have right here, it's an H1 tag, and we can change that for the landing pages and get the most value out of this text. The next thing is that we would like you to add the validation, these red texts as well, so that the programmer can activate them if it's needed. I'm gonna attach this mockup. It's from Paul, and then you probably haven't seen it before, but we just need some text as validation. So I'm gonna attach this JPEG to the email. This feedback is regarding the space we have here between the columns and the space between the budget and the name. It seems that there's a bigger space here, and that seems a little bit strange, like it's divided for some reason. So we should pull it a little bit up, and we should pull this column a little bit to the left, the border a little bit to the left, and also the border here to the right, put it further to the right. So that we will be, I can see here in the original mockup that there's a big space between the columns as well, and this might be okay if we have the border wide to the right. So, but I believe this might be a little bit too much as well. So try and take this border, move it a little bit to the left, and this border, and move it more to the right. It will give us more space for dynamic content here, and it will make this text not fill so much in the length. So that could be good. This feedback is regarding the font that we're using right here. This font looks very boring, and it looks very different from the other fonts. It might not be, but it's just an optical illusion. I don't know if it's the same font, but when I take the mockup, I know that we cannot compare the font here because that's a different one. But the small detail about the checkbox that is yellow and black like that, I don't know if we can do that, but the checkbox looks very boring. Can we do anything about them, either the text or the graphic, the way you choose it? It could be good to do something about that, and definitely make sure that this font is the same as this, because to me it looks a little bit different, but maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. The next thing is that the budget and the location needs to be drop downs, just like they are here. You can see there's 3 drop downs in a row, and I think it's like that as well on the on the mockup. So location, budget, and type of event should be drop downs. The next feedback is from the programmers. They wrote to me that there should be only one form tag on the page because they're using ASP.NET 4.0, which only allows one form tag. So I don't actually know what that means, but I hope that you know, and that you can fix it. This is how the page looks in Internet Explorer 6. I don't know if it's easy for you to correct that. If it is, then it could be nice to do it. And just, I think the only thing happening is actually that this part here has moved from up here to down here. If it's very difficult for you to fix, then don't do anything about it. As I can see, there's only 1.2% using Internet Explorer 6. But well, 1 out of 100. I don't know if it's worth doing a lot about. But anyway, if you can do an easy fix, then it could be good.